Today, we skied Ullstinden.
Wait, what way are we taking?
The weather had been pretty much perfect, except for the fact that it had been very windy. Today, we were equipped with the Gopro Max and we were using 360 mode. So, this is Ullstinden in 360. By now, we were halfway down the mountain, and after climbing a small hill, we were ready to shred again. This mountain is located near Lingen, which is one of the reasons why there are so many cool mountains around us. Drop a like if you think we should go skiing there one day. Now we were at the forest, and the trees got really thick, so we had to go a bit slower than usual. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Many more skiing videos will be coming soon because we have been doing that a lot lately. That's mostly due to the coronavirus and that skiing is the best thing to do at the moment because in the mountains it's a lot lower risk of catching the coronavirus. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. If you haven't seen the videos on the screen, go watch them. Anyways, see you in another video. Oh yeah, for some reason my little brother put this in here.